These are two of the easiest rotationless V-perms. For the first one, we'll face here, and we can recognize it by having an alternating colors on this one, blue, orange, and then opposite colors on these two corners. From this angle, you can also recognize the V-perm by having opposite colors on these opposite corners, and we have a 2x1 block over here. Now, for this algorithm, face here, we'll do R U prime regrip, R U R prime D, R D prime, R, and then this time we'll do the U prime and D at the same time. U prime D, R2, U with my right hand, R2, D prime with my left ring finger, and then R2. A little bit faster, it looks like